We're capturing Grace snoring like a beast. Maybe she stopped. How is so much noise coming from that little nose? Here she is, kicking back. She's got her ducky on. Perfect little lips. Perfect ears. Perfect eyes. Not so perfect hair, but we'll get there. Quick flash to daddy!